I'm Nikki.
And I'm Jessica.
Welcome to Pronounce. Lesson 9. Today's lesson. Or. Okay, Jessica, say this sound.
Oh. Oh.
Good. Say the sound again and hold the sound.
Oh.
Good. Again.
Oh.
Well done. Okay, Jessica, look at my lips as I say the sound and tell me, what do my lips do? Ready? Oh. Oh.
Your lips become more smaller when you sound oh.
Good. I push my lips forward and they become tighter, don't they? Oh.
Oh.
Good. Can you tell me what happens to my tongue?
Oh. Your tongue moves back when you sound the sound.
Good. My tongue moves back to make that sound. So when I do this or like this with my hands, my first hand here at the front, what is it doing?
You are trying to holding something out.
Yes, I am making my lips push forward. Oh. And what's my other hand doing?
Your other hand are trying to pull the tongue.
Well done. My other hand pulls my tongue back and this hand pushes my lips forward or pulls my lips forward. So I'm doing two opposite things. My lips are moving forward and my tongue is going back. Or. This is the sound or.
Oh.
Or.
Oh.
Jessica, say this sound. Good. And this sound?
Oh.
Good. Or. Jessica, tell me, what's the difference with my lips when I move from this sound to this sound? What happens to my lips in this sound?
Your lips is relaxed.
Good. My lips are relaxed. And for this sound?
Oh. Your lips become more tighter.
Good. My lips are pushed forward more. Or. What about my tongue? Does my tongue move from this sound to this sound?
Yes, your tongue moves a little bit back.
Good. My tongue is back, or my tongue moves further back. Oh, very nice pronunciation. Well done, Jessica. Excellent.